Back at it again. Hey, this was just dropped off. I think it just got donated. Look how cute this is. I wish I could fit in it. It's like, I'm gonna try. Just breaks it.
Got in here earlier. I could get my laser pods.
I know. Sorry. Especially since like we don't know. Was this the desk you're looking at?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
She's looking at desks and stuff for their new apartment. I'm sort of helping. I feel like I'm not doing anything. Rhinestones. Oh, yes. So Solika has this habit of calling rhinestones sequins, and I'm like, those are two different things. And I correct her every time. It's really amusing. But it's okay, because she also corrects me on, like, mythological creatures, so we just work that way. That's how we work. They're so pretty. Oh my god, look at the glitter. Yes. Getting stuff moved into boxes and stuff.
Yeah, it's a slow process. I'm just organizing all the art stuff. Look at all
the art stuff. Yes.
This is to take with.
that giant box back there is the
one
store.
Out of 5 boxes. This is to store. Yeah, this box is to store. Short storage, like.
She said she really needs me for moral support more than anything, so I'm here. I'm like, you could do it. When you need me to do stuff, I'm here. God, it seems so bad, but. Oh, look at her pauldrons. Aren't those freaking epic? Oh,
then.
We're getting stuff over here.
Wait.
What? So cool. I love to see the stuff starting to come in. That just makes it so cool. And look, there's a light in here now. And we just got this from Value Village. It's kind of cute. I like it. So exciting. We found a trail nearby the apartment. It goes right over this little sewer area. Hey! That way, I guess. Woo! Nice. Did you just catch that? Cool. Yeah, we're taking a easier walk today. Solika's ankles was sprained recently, which is sad. It's all wrapped. The river! Oh my god, that's so cool. We get to have a river right by. Hopefully it's not dangerous when it's like rainy, but I'm sure it's fine. Oh my god! Look at all the ducks! The crows are jealous. Oh my god! It's so happy and cute. Wow. There's like a black duck. There's a few of them. I'm sure they have a specific name. Pretty sure it's a type of duck. They look exactly the same.
Like a ruddy duck?
Gwen. Crow's like, don't forget about me.
No, could be. No.
They all have white chests. I don't know if that's a feature that you might be able to look up specifically. I swear, like, my brain is trying to think of the name. Like, I know this name. That type of duck. I know those ones are mallard ducks. Whoa! That's a seagull! Hello! That is a young seagull. I forgot if I shared this fact with you, but apparently the peppered looking seagulls are actually, it just means they're younger. The seagulls that are like peppered looking, they're younger. That's why. They haven't fully matured. The only thing I could find was minky mallard. So he might be a minky mallard. There was also Swedish ducks, but they had longer necks. So I don't know, maybe. I guess he does kind of have a long neck. We have a little hummingbird up here. Look at that. Wish it wasn't such a backlit.
You guys, I'm gonna feed hummingbirds.
Yay!
I'm gonna have a little hummingbird to feed it.
I know. Look at that big nest. We're pretty sure it's like an osprey nest or something. I want to see if I saw any bird heads in it, but I don't think so. This is literally bird paradise. I think Solika's actually in heaven. Yeah. That's the perks of having a best friend who loves to talk to crows. That's so cool. So I keep seeing a bunch of trees that have clearly been gnawed at, which means there's probably a lot of beavers around here, which makes me so happy. This little guy started walking towards us when she played the bird sound for him. He's like, where's my friends? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh, it's a different one. That's a big like wren. Oh. Whoa. Two of the ones like, I'm out of here. I appreciate you taking video. Oop, there comes another one. There must be a lot around this area.
That is a house sparrow.
Oh, that one's different? It looks similar.
Either house sparrow or white crowned.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
So we've made it to the end of another vlog, and this was the second training day slash like hangout with Solika. So that was super cool. We actually got to move more stuff into their apartment, and then we walked on this trail nearby, as you saw, and there's just so much nature out there. I'm so excited. I'm sure there's going to be so much more footage to come from just like hanging out in that area, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm very excited. I do have more Solika vlogs coming up. I'm just kind of slowly trying to get them all together. I wanted to come on here and conclude this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!